Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. It's a realm where finance meets technology, creating a revolutionary form of money that is taking the world by storm. Over the last decade, cryptocurrencies have grown from a niche interest into a global phenomenon, sparking a new wave of financial innovation. Wizard or just a curious soul, the world of cryptocurrencies has something to offer you. As we delve deeper into this topic, we'll uncover principles that power these digital currencies, explore some of the most popular ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and even guide you on how to get started. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a fascinating journey. Stay tuned as we demystify the complex world of cryptocurrencies. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more future videos. So, what exactly is a cryptocurrency? Let's start from the basics. In simple terms, a cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It's not like your pounds, dollars, or euros that are issued and regulated by a central authority. Cryptocurrency operates on a technology called blockchain, which is decentralized. This means it isn't controlled by any government, institution, or individual, but rather by a network of computers across the globe. Now you might be wondering, what's this decentralization all about? Well, decentralization is one of the core principles of cryptocurrency. It's what sets it apart from traditional currencies. In a decentralized system, no single entity has control over the entire network. Instead, control is distributed among a number of participants or nodes. So, if one node fails or acts maliciously, the rest of the network remains unaffected. This decentralization is made possible through blockchain technology. A blockchain is a type of distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction is bundled with others into a block, which is then added to a chain of previous transactions. Hence, the term blockchain. Blockchain technology ensures that all transactions are transparent and can be tracked, but at the same time, it maintains the anonymity of the parties involved. This combination of transparency and anonymity makes it nearly impossible to manipulate the system, providing a level of security that is one of the key attractions of cryptocurrencies. Moreover, because blockchain is a distributed ledger, it's incredibly difficult for anyone to change or tamper with the data once it's been recorded. This means that once a transaction is made, it's there for good. No takebacks, no do-overs. Cryptocurrencies are indeed a revolutionary concept, wouldn't you agree? They challenge our traditional understanding of money, offering a new, secure, and decentralized way of doing transactions. It's a whole new world of possibilities, and we're just getting started. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, but did you know there are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there? Let's dive into three of the most popular ones: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. Bitcoin, the pioneer of digital currency, operates on a technology called blockchain, which ensures secure and transparent transactions. It's primarily used as a digital alternative to traditional currencies. Next up, we have Ethereum. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum doesn't just have a cryptocurrency called Ether. It also offers a platform for building decentralized applications, or dApps, that run on its own blockchain. And then we have Ripple. Ripple distinguishes itself by focusing on the financial industry. Its digital payment protocol operates on an open source and peer-to-peer decentralized platform that allows for a seamless transfer of money in any form. Each of these cryptocurrencies has its unique features and uses, making the market incredibly diverse. Now that we know what cryptocurrencies are, let's look at how they work. Imagine you're in a colossal digital gold mine, and instead of pickaxes, people use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. This is essentially what mining is in the world of cryptocurrencies. Miners compete to solve these problems, and the first one to crack it gets to add a new block to the blockchain, a public ledger of all transactions. This new block contains a record of recent transactions, and for their efforts, miners are rewarded with freshly minted cryptocurrency. Quite the digital gold rush, isn't it? Now let's talk about wallets. No, not the one in your pocket, but a digital one. A cryptocurrency wallet is a secure digital wallet used to store, send, and receive digital currency. It's like your own personal bank vault, but in the digital realm. There are various types of wallets, including hardware, software, and online wallets, each offering different levels of security and accessibility. These wallets use two keys: a public key, which is like your bank account number, and a private key, which is akin to your ATM PIN. Your public key is what others use to send you cryptocurrencies, and your private key is what you use to access and manage your funds. Remember, Losing your private key is like losing your wallet in the real world. There's no recovery, so keep it safe. It's important to note that while the process is digital, it's not instant. Transactions need to be validated and added to the blockchain, which can take from a few minutes to an hour depending on the cryptocurrency and the congestion on the network. The world of cryptocurrency is truly fascinating with its complex mechanisms and high-tech processes. So, whether you're planning to mine, invest, or just understand the phenomenon, it's essential to understand these concepts. This knowledge will not only help you navigate the crypto world, but also appreciate the innovation and potential that these digital currencies bring to our financial system. Despite the complexity, why do people use cryptocurrencies? The answer lies in the unique benefits that these digital assets provide. Let's delve into them. Firstly, cryptocurrencies offer faster transactions. Traditional banking systems and online money transfers usually take time for cross-border transactions. It might even take days for the money to reach its intended recipient. But with cryptocurrencies, transactions are processed quickly, as they do not rely on standard business hours and can be done directly without intermediaries. Secondly, cryptocurrencies often involve lower fees. Traditional banks and online money transfers generally involve fees and exchange costs. Cryptocurrencies may minimize these costs as they are decentralized, thus eliminating the need for a bank or third party. Lastly, increased privacy is another allure of cryptocurrencies. Unlike traditional financial systems, where your transactions can be tracked and your personal information is often at risk, cryptocurrencies provide a certain level of anonymity. These benefits are a huge draw for many people towards cryptocurrencies. Like all investments, cryptocurrencies come with their own set of risks and challenges. One major challenge is the notorious volatility of cryptocurrency prices. Within a single day, the value of a cryptocurrency can skyrocket or plummet, sometimes by dramatic proportions. This volatility can be exhilarating for some, but it also makes cryptocurrencies a risky investment. Beyond price volatility, there are also security concerns to consider. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets, which can be vulnerable to hacking. If a hacker gains access to your wallet, you could lose all your investments. This is why it's crucial to use secure wallets and to keep your private keys safe. It's also important to exercise caution when investing in cryptocurrencies. While the potential for high returns can be tempting, it's also possible to lose your entire investment. Always do your research before diving in and never invest more than you can afford to lose. While cryptocurrencies offer many benefits, it's crucial to be aware of these risks. Are you ready to get started with cryptocurrencies? Let's demystify the process. Step 1, educate yourself. Understand what cryptocurrencies are, how they work, and the risks involved. Step 2, choose a cryptocurrency exchange. This is an online platform where you can buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Step 3, create a wallet. This is where you'll store your digital assets. Some exchanges offer built-in wallets, but there are also standalone options like Ledger or Trezor. Step 4, make your first purchase. Start small and only invest what you're willing to lose. Finally, Step 5, continue your education. The world of cryptocurrencies is ever evolving, so staying informed is key. Remember, thorough research before investing is critical. Cryptocurrency can be volatile, and while there's potential for high returns, there's also risk. Getting started with cryptocurrencies might seem daunting, but with the right information, it's a manageable journey. So, what does the future hold for cryptocurrencies? As we peer into the crystal ball, a few trends seem likely to shape the cryptocurrency landscape. One is the continuous evolution of blockchain technology. With the advent of concepts like smart contracts and decentralized finance, or DeFi, blockchain is set to revolutionize not just finance, but numerous other sectors. Another trend is the rising interest of institutional investors. More and more financial giants are recognizing the potential of cryptocurrencies, leading to a flood of institutional money into the crypto market. However, the most exciting trend might be the potential integration of quantum computing with blockchain. While still in its infancy, this could drastically increase the speed and security of transactions, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with cryptocurrencies. The future of cryptocurrency is bright and filled with endless possibilities. As we move forward, these digital currencies could redefine how we understand and use money. Now that we've taken a deep dive into the world of cryptocurrencies, it's clear that this digital revolution isn't just a passing trend. It's a new way of understanding, using, and investing in money. From its inner workings, the benefits and the risks, to the exciting future trends, the world of cryptocurrency is indeed vast and intriguing. But remember, while the possibilities are endless, it's always important to do your own research and make informed decisions when it comes to investing. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us on this crypto journey, and until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay invested.